Hawakan.
Grace received. Miss Nancy Asuela.
Miss Joseph Nicole Nala.
Warren. Miss Rowena Sembrano Taquero.
Second Dongha International Award for Beautician of the Year goes to Josephine Yumanala. Congratulations, Miss Josephine Nicole Yumanala.
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Wow, Beautician of the Year. Thank you, Lofa. At ako po ang inubila ng unexpected po ito. Sa tagal ko rito sa Saudi, hindi nakakala na ako nabibigyan ng award. Thank you, Lofa. Ito lang po siguro masasabi ko. Lagi po natin tatandaan na lagi po natin ipapaalala sa lahat at ipapaunawa ang pagmamahal at pagkakaisa sa ating lahat. Maraming salamat po. Ito pa ay para sa akin, Crystal Palace Ladies Center. Thank you po.
For the second set under the art division will be the hair and makeup artist of the year. It honors the creative artist who has created a stunning hairstyle and makeup, making an impact to the beauty world.
The nominees for the second Lopaas International Awards for Hair and Makeup Artist of the Year are
Jessica Pinas.
and Dennis Golla.
Lumahan International Award for the hair and makeup artist of the year goes to May I call on stage Miss Jessica Pinas.
And once again, congratulations po sa lupaan. In behalf po sa aming po ina, sa napakahusay na Jessica Viñas Robles ay napaka-swerte at tinatanggap ko po sa pamagitan niya ito pong kanyang award. Maraming salamat po sa Lupaa and congratulations.
You are the Vlogger of the Year. The third award to be given for the second set under the Arts Division will be the Vlogger of the Year.
The nominees for the second Lupaa International Awards for Vlogger of the Year are
Happy Sunscape, Bob Sawyer, Kevin J. Sawyer,
The second Lupaa International Awardee for Vlogger of the Year goes to Bob Sawyer.
Congratulations, Mr. Bob Sawyer, for winning our Vlogger of the Year. Yes, may fan base talaga si Mr. Bob over there. Congratulations again, Mr. Bob Sawyer.
Simpleng pag-upload ng mga vintage videos. Yun, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga bumubuo sa Lupaa. Hindi ko na isa-isa yun, baka makakalimutan na ako. At sa lahat ng mga sponsors na nandito, especially sa Johnny D. Carabal Carlo. At syempre, maraming salamat sa aking mga kaibigan, people, boss. At sa lahat ng mga taong sumusuporta sa mga videos. Ngayon, dahilan bakit ako hindi ako nag-upload ng mga videos. So, sa mga kapwa ko, content creator, na maliliit na content creator na kagaya ko, hanggang genuine ka at laging sa puso yung ginagawa mo, ituloy-tuloy mo lang.
Thank you, Mr. Bob Sawyer. Creative Artist of the Year celebrates an individual whose artistic vision and originality with significant impact will recognize their perceptual talent. These artists pushes boundaries and inspire others through their unique expression. Their work is not only captivated the audience, but also fostering culture, dialogue, emotional connections. Recognize versatile artists who has made significant strides across various creativity mediums, showcasing originality, imaginative expression.
Good evening, everyone. Magandang gabi sa lahat. Kamusta, partner?
Good evening, Sofitel!
Napakaseryoso ng lahat.
Masyado kayo seryoso.
First, the nominees for the second Lupaa International Awards for Creative Artist of the Year are
Mr. Alan Tomas Tamaso.
Joseph San Miguel,
Thank you so much. I didn't prepare this speech at all. I even forgot my makeup, and I don't even have my makeup. Simply because I'm so busy preparing for all of this. And I would like to thank, of course, my Saga family. Lahat ng mga nandiyan, ng mga Saga, kayo kayo. This is the fruit of your hard work. I am so proud of you guys. Really. Thank you for all your efforts. Lahat na natin dito ni Shelly, hindi lahat ng mga preparation about this Mabawa. Thank you so much, Mabawa, for Saga. Thank you for the opportunity. We were able to redeem ourselves and we were able to produce a quality show, not only in the Eastern region, but for the whole kingdom of Saudi Arabia. And then sharing this award, of course, to my Fine Artist family, to my friends, my family in the Philippines, and of course, to God. Thank you so much, Lord, for giving me the talent and the skills that I can be able to share for all of you. So, sa lahat po, para sa Saga, at the Royal Quality Show, we are always ready to be of service to the servant heart to the Filipino community. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. The fifth and last award to be given for the second set on the Arts Division will be the Fashion Designer of the Year. It acknowledges the innovative designer whose work and passion has gained recognition for creativity, style, and influence within the industry.
The nominees for the second Lupa International Awards for Fashion Designer of the Year are Lisa Vasco Cabo,
Celso Equilos. Alejandro Cruz Bernardino.
Second Lupa International Awards for Fashion Designers of the Year goes to Celso Equilos.
Congratulations, Celso Equilos, for winning the Fashion Designer of the Year.
Assalamualaikum. Sa tagal ko nang nagulong sa Saudi Arabia, ang lupa ay marami mag-ulilig na sa akin sa tagal ko. Thank you sa tulong ng lupa. Sa ito, Benji, at sa mga membro. Thank you.